I'm here from the dog reality zone. The dog in this video proves his dislike for Satan.
How's my boy? Hello, puppy dog. Hello. Hello. Here's a good boy. Sparky, where's Satan? Where's Satan? Where's Satan? Where's Satan? That's a good boy. Good boy. Really good. Really good. Where's Satan? Where's Satan? Here's Satan. That's a good boy. Very good. Yeah. That's my guy. That's my boy. Where's Satan? Where's Satan? Where's Satan? Where is he? Satan.